Today I'm showing you how to share your Weavely forms under a custom domain. So this is going to be a pro feature. There's not a lot of pro features, but this is one of them. So essentially if you go under settings and team settings, you can add a custom domain here. So of course you need to own the domain, and I'll come back to what you need to set up afterwards. But in my case, I own the domain militair.be, which is my sort of last name, and it's a Belgian domain name. And so for example, I could want to have feedback.militair.be as sort of my custom domain under which I want to host the Weavely forms. So people will be able to access them through this domain / the ID of my form. Once you have that set up, so you've chosen the domain, you'll need to press add custom domain, and then automatically Weavely is going to check whether or not from a DNS record perspective this is all good. So that's the only thing you need to do inside of Weavely. Now of course you'll need to set up the correct things in your web hosting. So essentially you'll need to add a CNAME record. So in my case, my hosting is on direct admin, and so what I added is a CNAME record, which links the feedback subdomain to proxy.weavely.ai. So that's what you'll want to do. Proxy.weavely.ai will sort of redirect everything to your forms. So let me give you an example. Let's go back to our forms and just pick any one of them. So simple contact form. This is of course the URL that you're used to. But now instead of having to type out or share forms.weavely.ai / the ID of my form, I can simply share feedback.militair.be and then the same ID of the form, and then we'll redirect to the same form. So I could provide any ID of any form in here, but now I can have my custom domain here. So this is how you set up custom domains to share your forms in a more personalized way inside of Weavely.ai.